Hello YouTube, the Barger Mad here. Today I'll be showing you how to maintain your nitro car engine. These simple steps will ensure your car runs smooth and fast. After taking off the pull start, carb and flywheel, remove the cooling head by removing the 4 bolts that hold it down. You can now remove the crankshaft. What's left is the engine case, which you'll need to now clean with WD-40. Now apply WD-40 to the cooling head and to the cooling head bolts. Then put to one side and allow to dry. Once all dried, the engine can be reassembled like so. Firstly, get the crankshaft and put it back in its place. Then the cooling head along with the 4 screws that hold it in place. Once this step is done, reassemble the pull starter, carb and flywheel. You're now ready to put your engine back into your car. Tuning may need to be done, however this is very unlikely. Check out all my other videos and subscribe. Thank you.